All right, guys, good morning. In today's episode of the Experimental Gardener, we're going to start our seed potatoes. Yes, we are. But first, I want to show you guys something. Look at it. This is the cabbage that I had on my son's birthday. Look it, guys. One leaf there, one leaf there. Can you see? It's growing. And it has roots, baby. Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. I'm just going to leave it in the water. I've been changing it every day. See all those little buds coming from around there and all these roots and stuff? Yes. Growing cabbage from scraps. Let's get it. Okay? That's free, baby. That's free. Started on 2/4/26. Okay. To the potatoes. So I ate half the bag of the potatoes and then I just left them in the bag. And did nothing else to them at all, guys. And look at it. Uh-oh. Hold on. Let me be careful. Let me be careful. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. So, I've been having the hardest time to grow these potatoes, y'all. Been trying for the last 4 years. Yep. This is going to be my fourth growing season or fifth. I'm not sure. I got to go back and look. I want to keep myself honest, so I'm not going to say it. I got to go back and look. But anyway, these are the eyes. I just broke one off, but it don't matter. You only need 2. So I'm going to go ahead and start these potatoes with you guys and show you how it's done. But I want to show you that you don't have to do nothing to potatoes to actually have seed potatoes at all, guys. Just leave them in a bag and they will grow eyes. These will become stems, and this right here the roots will start to come from it, and then you will have a potato. That's what they say. I have yet to see that, but that's what they say. So, yeah, we're going to try again this season, though. And we are going to implement some of the things we've learned from the past seasons. Let's get it. They look pretty good. They're bigger than the ones that you actually can buy in the store, that's for sure. Okay? Now, I want this one, so I got to be careful. Because you see how it's caught all up in there? But I really want it, so I'm just going to be careful with it. Yay! We did it. Okay. That's it. You don't need that many, guys. Okay? Oh, and these are premium Idaho potatoes. Let's get it, Idaho people. Let's go. Yes. It says U.S. #1. But everybody say they #1 anyway. But it's also a product of the USA. Let's get it. There's all kind of different varieties of potatoes out there. You guys know that. Oh, yeah. I want to show you this, too. Now, don't laugh at me. This was an experiment. This was an experiment. Yes. Let me show you. This is a baker potato. I started it like this whole because I wanted to see if I was able to grow the, what do you call these? The shoots or the leaves, whatever you call these. So, yes, I was able to do that. So now I have a baker potato I'm going to put in the ground. And I want to show you guys this too. Look at all those roots, baby. Those are nice and healthy roots. So from this one potato, I think I will get a lot. But I'm going to put this one in a bag all by itself to see what happens. Yes. And I stopped watering it because, like I say, it's almost March. So I don't want to get it too big here in the house, of course. But I think it'll still be okay to put in a bag. Let's pray. that it is. Okay. Set that to the side. Now, I'm going to show you what they said. Now, y'all could tell me if I'm doing this right or wrong, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, they say you need at least 2 eyes. But this one's so big, y'all. And, you know, I'm just going to cut the 1 eye. Right there. Because it's so big, you know. So, I'm going to leave that right there. Because it'll get another eye. It will. As a matter of fact, that's one growing right there. So, I'm just going to leave it. It has the callus over. So, that's why I'm cutting them like this. You do it like this so you can have more potatoes, they say. So, I'm just going to do it this way. I'm trying it out. So, you see, these are large. These 2 are large. But then there's one back here. So, I'm just going to cut it right there. Y'all know them seed potatoes that y'all be buying at the stores or either online or at people's farms or wherever you get them from. They expensive. Just get you a bag of potatoes and set them to the side. Just make sure that your potato comes in the bag with holes like this and just leave them. Okay? It will happen. See that? That's so big. So I'm just going to leave it. And yeah, that's all you do. None, but it will have some. I'm going to leave that just like that. One. It's okay. It'll get another one. I believe it. And I'm doing it early like this because, you know, it takes potatoes a very, very long time to grow. Anyway, and I'm growing in containers. I'm going to put this in a 25-gallon bag. All of these. Yep. Let's get it. Okay, guys. Like I said, I don't want to keep y'all long. And once they do callus over, you can go ahead and put them in the ground. It'll be safe then. Okay, guys. Peace.